Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury and I want to do a bit of a Patek Philippe unboxing. Is this a new watch I'm wearing? No, it's one of my wristwatch. Quickly do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Patek Philippe 5127, which is just such a cool Patek Philippe. And that's not to be confused with my other Patek Philippe. The Grand Classique from Patek Philippe, my 5296. No, so what I've done is, guys, I like to differentiate between my humble Patek Philippe collection. And I gotta tell you, man, I wanted to get a different type of buckle. See, this is on my 5296. It's got the tang buckle, and on my 5217 it's actually got a tang buckle as well. Now we've got a bit of a broken tongue. The tongue is the tongue is busted, and I think the previous owner pinched the Patek spring bar. I've got a spring bar for the buckle coming, Patek one, and a new tongue. So guys, what am I using on this particular watch here? What am I doing, man? What are you doing, Arch? What exactly is going on? And that's a very, very good question. What indeed is going on? And I've added a deployant. I have added a deployant clasp to my 5127. That's correct. The 5127, I now have a deployant. And I got to tell you, the deployant clasp normally on the 5127, it would have a clasp which would be the 14 mil. That means the strap tapers down to 14 mil. But I got to be honest with you, I wanted a bit more presence. On my world time, it has the 14, it tapers down to 14 mil, the deployant buckle. I wanted a little bit extra size. I wanted slightly bigger. So the next option up would be a Patek 16 mil buckle. 16 mil. So it's just a little bit bigger. And the good thing about the 16 mil buckle is, because I already have a few Patek straps. See, most of the Patek straps for the Calatravas, they all come down to a 16 mil. They taper down from 20 mil to 16 mil. So that means I wouldn't need to buy one that tapers down to 14 mil for my for the strap. I wouldn't need to get another strap. So, because normally the tang buckle, it fits on that perfectly. Now, so what I decided to do is, instead of getting the 14 mil buckle, which is what kind of Patek recommends, I thought, fuck it, I want to go a little bit ambitious and go to the 16 mil. So it's got a little bit more presence, which I thought would be really cool. So this is the deployant clasp, and it's in white gold. Fucking expensive, believe you me, a deployant clasp for Patek Philippe. Everything Patek Philippe in gold is very, very, so I'll just show you. I'll just put that on there. So it goes in like this. You run it, the straps up there. Just push that up. Come on. Okay, there. And then we just push it in. You can hear that click pin. And that there has got my strap in there. Strap on there. Look at that. Beautifully done. So that's my new Patek deployant buckle. How much does the deployant buckle cost? Well, I can tell you this there now. They are damn expensive. I rang up I rang up Hourglass in Melbourne, and they said if you've got a 5127, actually he said he just did it for somebody with a 5296, which same sort of buckle situation, and he said it was $6,000 for the buckle. $6,000 for the deployant buckle, and that was with a leather strap. So if you do a bit of reverse engineering, the leather strap is about $700. That's what I paid in Singapore, 700 Aussie. So it's about $5,300 for the deployant buckle. Now, I gotta tell you, I called in a favor. My good friend Shawnee at European Watch Gallery. He's very, very kindly. He's very kindly did a very, very special deal for me. He did a deal for me. Okay, let's just say that he did a deal because he's a cool guy. Shawnee's a cool guy, man. He's very cool. So that's what I've done. So I've gone for the slightly bigger one. I think he had a 14, so there's a 14 mil and a 16 mil. I thought, fuck it, I just want it to be a bit gangster, just a little bit bigger, because I've got the deployant on my world time that's 14. It just felt, the strap felt a little bit small. So I wanted to just a little bit bigger because I've got the extra large strap. So that'd be perfect for the deployant buckle. And I got to tell you, I really love it. I really, really love it. So I want to say a big thank you to Shawnee at European Watch Gallery. He formerly used to be known as Armadale Watch Gallery, but it's European Watch Gallery in Collins Street. He's looked after me again, so thank you, Shawnee. I adore it, and thank you so much. So there you go, guys. That's a little bit of a Patek story there. With my old one, I'm getting a replacement tongue, and also a genuine Patek spring bar for the buckle, because I would still like to have that on standby in case I want to put on the tang buckle. So I like to have both, you know, and I might even get another set of spring bars, Patek spring bars, that they're levered, so I could very easily take that off and put this on. So yeah, that's food for thought there. So yes, I just wanted to tell you the story. So I'm very excited. I love my Patek Philippe's. I love Patek Philippe. So yes, that's my Patek Philippe unboxing on the air. Yes, on the ArchieLuxury channel. Not another watch, not another watch, but it's still a significant purchase. I can believe you me, it is significant. So guys, there you go. Guys, tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, and tell your non-Patek friends. And also, please, if you haven't already, put some nasty comments. And guys, I depend. Man cannot survive on Google Ads alone. I need a bit of help. If you want to get a paid review, I'll give you my opinion. Okay, guys, until next time, ciao, fuckers!